said I'm going to play with my cat. Oh, he's right at it. Ready? I'm going to do this. Oh. Oh. Oh, he took it out of my hand. Come on. Nope. Hey,
Um.
I was kidding.
So,
Oh, I'm calling.
should this be my YouTube video? Cause I'm filming. I'm gonna be filming for the whole entire
No,
hour.
because we're taking turns filming, buddy.
So this should be both of our videos.
Yeah, I'm not sure how to change the name of it. Wait,
Pew.
he's coming.
Pew pew
Oh, you got it. Wrapped around him.
pew.
Oh. He jumped. He's a human cat.
Jump around.
Brendan, get out of the way. I'm filming. Come on. What? Oh, he got it. He got my trick.
Could I do it?
No, I'm filming for my YouTube channel.
Bruh.
Riker, you want to play with him now? You want to film the whole thing? Oh, I thought you wanted to get into it too.
Okay, my turn.
All right, here you go.
Show me my hand.
Bruh. Okay, just take it. Okay, give me. Sorry, guys. Go play. I'll be up here watching. No, Riker, go play with him. Not me. Why are you acting like I'm the cat?
Guys,
Riker, you gotta stand up and go around, or he's not gonna do it.
well, how about you get out of his face with that and stop being so rough with him? No. What's about it? How would you like it if someone kept waving that and smacking you in the face? I don't think you'd like it very much.
Come on. Oh. He doesn't want to play for some reason. Come on, Soxy, play.
He's literally took that away. You don't take it away.
Move it around so when he gets up and moves around, buddy.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's moving.
That's not how you do it, Riker. You do it like this.
No, get away from me.
Fine. I'm going in the kitchen and film. Bruh.
When? When?
Is that football?
Skylar!
What? Oh, I'm filming. I'm gonna throw a football.